kung walang pakialam sa'yo yung demonyo? Ano conversations nila?
O teka, huwag niyong gagalawin yan. Tropa natin yan eh. Malakas ang trip niyang gumagawa ng mali yan. Hayaan niyo siyang gumawa ng mali.
Pero kung gumagawa ka ng tama, of course, you will be hated by a lot of people. If you wanna do something big for your life, kung meron kang ini-aim na malaking goal, kung malayo yung vision mo, kung mataas yung pangarap mo, and you are taking massive action, at first, you will look stupid to a lot of people. Until you're right. Until magawa mo. Until you create evidences. Pero initially, sa una, habang nagsisimula ka pa lang, magmumukha ka talagang tanga. You will look stupid. Pero kung tuloy-tuloy ka lang, pag nakuha mo yung mga goals mo, yung mga pangarap mo, eventually, you will be happier. You will be more fulfilled. But still, you will be hated. Because again, kung ang tao hindi ka nila makontrol, i-hate ka nila.